Hi, my name is Monica, and let me tell you a few words about our wooden windows. Eko-Okna produces wooden windows made of exotic type of wood that is called Meranti. Please pay attention to the precision and quality of finish. It is characterized by a wide range of warm colors, from light golden shades to darker reddish-brown tones. As a result, every piece made of Meranti looks unique. Its natural texture adds allergens to both interiors and exteriors. Meranti wood not only looks beautiful, but it's also extremely resistant to changing weather conditions, which means it's a perfect choice for the years. Thanks to modern technology, we can provide the perfect combination of aesthetics and functionality. This window is not only eye-catching, but also meets all the requirements when it comes to thermal and acoustic insulation. Are you looking for windows that combine exotic look and excellent thermal performance? Meranti Windows are specially for you.